This is an entryway of our house here, and when you walk in through the door here, you'll see a little umbrella stand, which is, of course, very important since it rains a lot in June, especially during rainy season. Then we have our boots collection, because we use them in the garden, of course, when we go clamming too, and also when it's just rainy, so always good to have good boots. Then we have a nice little kind of watering can and also some shoes here on this stand. This is kind of new because we were running out of space because my daughter has so many shoes. My older daughter. Those are some of her shoes there. And these are my younger daughter's shoes. You can see these are pedicure shoes. So cute and yet so dirty. Yes, not cool. But anyways, I'm showing you guys my dirty shoes. Aren't you happy? Then over here on this side we have what's called a Agatha Buckle, which is a shoe box or shoe cabinet. And these are common in the entryway. They're fairly shallow. They're not very deep. And inside are usually shoes. In this middle section, ours has shoes. Over here is where the dog leash is. And on this side is stuff to clean the car. Soap and stuff. So, and then sometimes you'll have some cool stuff here to kind of greet people. Usually something that's got like a good luck vibe to it. So this is the special figurines for this year, which is the year of the dragon. So we have those on display. And photos. Lots of photos. Photos of flowers that I took. But, yeah. So, and then down here, we have the entryway. Now, you leave your shoes down here, and then you take a step up into the home and put on slippers when you arrive. We have a big basket of slippers over here because we have a lot of students who come. But over here, you can kind of see the stand, too, of the slippers. Now, these slippers are for guests. Usually, if you knew somebody was coming, you'd put them out to greet people when they come in the door, and that way they can just leave their shoes down here and come right into nice slippers. Now, I'm severely behind because it's fall and I shouldn't still have these slippers out. These are bad slippers because these are for summer. You could tell because one tell sign is that they have open toe. That's only for summer. And the inside is like a bamboo kind of tatami style. So these are no longer what I should have out anymore. I need to put them away and refresh them with the fall-winter versions that we have here. I can't show you guys. They're just slippers, of course, but, you know, of course they have a covered toe so that you know that they're for fall and winter, and then usually some kind of nice cottony feeling thing on the inside. So those would be what I'll need to replace and put out for everybody. Now these are just for guests. Family members don't usually wear these. Family members usually have their own slippers. It's pretty common to have croc-like kind of shoes. Those are my father-in-law's. And then you can see these are my daughters, my little daughters. She has cute little decorations and what's his name? Pokabu or whatever. Missing his ears though. But these were more for summer. We also have some that are more fuzzy and warm for winter time. Usually they're pretty elaborately designed and have rirakuma or somebody like that on them. Lots of fluffy fur inside to keep your feet warm because the houses all have wood floors, which make your feet insanely cold in the wintertime. So, time for a change. I'm going to freshen everything up here. But that kind of gives you guys an idea of what our entryways in Japan are like.